What's everybody? Try that again. All right. As you've seen on our channel in the past and on our other social media networks, you've seen that really sweet 2022 plus blue BRZ with the white wheels. Well, we traded it in. Gone as far as we want to go with them, so it was time to trade it in and get a new platform to start creating parts with, researching, developing, you know, do that kind of stuff. So Cole's about to be pulling up with it here in probably about 15 minutes, but we're all really, really excited about it. So let's see what he pulls up with.
I upgraded 2 more cylinders.
Damn, this thing fast now or what?
This is definitely faster than a BRZ, yeah. This thing is awesome. And it's nice, because it's a BMW.
Dang. Dude, my lens is fogging. It's so hot out.
Come on, fucking skid. Come on, get out.
Dane is pumped up.
So, anyways, this is my, aka the shop's, new GR Supra. Oh geez, oh geez. Go inside. Hey, get inside. Get in there. Thank you. So, we decided to trade in the BRZ. It'll be missed. This right here, GR Supra, but it is a 6-speed manual transmission. But
Do a skid!
probably will do a skid here.
CCW classics.
I'm not getting CCWs either. It's a Japanese car. I have Advan GT premiums on the way for it.
Does it do burnouts?
I bet it doesn't even do skids.
You should figure out if it does burnouts or not. Maybe a skid or two.
God damn it. Yeah, what was your buddies in 3 doing? I was actually not going to drift it, right?
That's pretty sick.
That was pretty cool right there, I'm not gonna
I
lie.
didn't have to do a break-in procedure or anything. It already has 5,000 miles on it. Also, just like a C7 Corvette, it's basically a Corvette, no handbrake. We got buttons now. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll let the guys pick around with it for a little bit, but let's discuss what our goals are with it. Just like any shop car, we're obviously going to be doing a lot of development on the car. The only reason why we get brand new cars is to get our knowledge base up on newer stuff and obviously create new products for people like you and for the modern day enthusiasts. So our main goals obviously are going to be to do the normal stuff like addressing the exhaust system, seeing the intakes, like just doing the normal bolt-ons and kind of just picking around the car and seeing like what little things we can improve on an already really well done car. I mean, Toyota and BMW obviously came together to create something like pretty perfect already. But obviously some things that the enthusiast market wants are like louder exhaust, a little bit more power, tuning options, and maybe some styling upgrades as well. So we're gonna do all that. And of course, I'm gonna get out of the way because I think they're gonna be driving it. Go ahead, go drive. Huh? Go drive. Like I was saying, obviously we're going to be using this car for development purposes, so it's definitely not loud enough. We've discussed a few options on actually exhaust placement. We're gonna be taking a few cues from the original Heritage Edition car that I originally saw, the A90 Supras when they first came out at SEMA. There's a nice, beautiful red, I'm sure Jay will put a picture up, red Heritage Edition. There was a white one too, that was the sport top. That's like their Targa one. But there's a few really cool styling cues that they did to that car. And the aftermarket is still kind of catching up on some of that fun stuff that all pays homage to the A80 series or the Mark IV Supras. So we got some stuff coming for that, and obviously we're going to be designing some stuff too. Exhaust is probably one of the first things that you guys will be seeing, and downpipes, and we might play around with intakes. The thing about it though too, guys, is there's already a massive, really well supported aftermarket for this car, so it's not like we're jumping in completely to the unknown here, but either way, it's going to be a really fun project. Brakes are nice.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, so like if I'm looking this way, I gotta really lean forward, but
I'm trying not to assist you.
what? I'm not gonna hit the curb, am I?
No, you're good. Yeah, just go straight.
Dude, this thing feels so smooth.
Yeah. In the Corolla, it doesn't feel as intuitive, honestly. See that traction control?
Yeah.
It lets you stay in it, but
Yeah, it like, cause it wanted to spin there a little bit.
yeah.
I was 100% throttle, but yeah, I really like this. You should not have let me driven it. I'm gonna want one now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd just rather be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some fucking cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors, done with all these traitors who be haters on the low. They just